If you've been looking to connect Zapier with Gohighlevel and start automating like a pro in 2025, you're in the right place. In just a few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact steps to set this up from scratch. No fluff, no confusion, just a smooth workflow that saves you time and effort. To begin, open your browser and head over to Zapier's website. Look at the top right corner and click Sign In. The quickest way is to log in using your Google account. It's secure and gets you in fast, so you can start building. Once you're in, go to the Home section. Here's where you create automations known as Zaps. Click the Create button to start your custom workflow. Then head to the Zaps tab. This is your command center for automating tasks. Your first step is choosing a trigger, which tells Zapier when to spring into action. In the Zap editor, click on the trigger field and search for Lead Connector. This is the tool that connects closely with Gohighlevel and manages your leads. Select Lead Connector from the list. Next, choose the event that kicks things off. Select Pipeline Stage Changed. This means whenever a lead moves to a new stage inside Gohighlevel, your automation will activate. Before moving on, hit Test Trigger to make sure Zapier can detect those changes. This quick test prevents headaches later. Now it's time to set the action, what you want Zapier to do once the trigger fires. Click on Action, and for this example, choose Google Sheets. From the event options, select Create Spreadsheet. With this action, each time the pipeline stage changes, a new spreadsheet will be created automatically, making it easy to organize and store data without lifting a finger. To connect Google Sheets, click Sign In and authenticate your Google account. When that's done, use the test button to confirm Zapier can access and perform actions with your account. Once both the trigger and action are confirmed to be working properly, scroll to the top and click Publish. That one click activates your Zap and allows Zapier to start watching for changes and performing your automation instantly. And that's it. Zapier and Gohighlevel are now integrated and working together to streamline your workflow without any manual effort. It's a powerful setup that can be customized further for leads, tasks, follow-ups, and so much more. If this guide helped you, stick around and explore my other tutorials to keep leveling up your automation game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.